for this project, I use Morse Code to tell a joke on an LED. And to start with that, I initialize the pin number and delay time, just so there is time delay between each letter and word. And then I coded a dash and dot function, which are the main components of Morse code. And I did a dots function with an S to signal the end of the joke, as I will show you guys later on. I then coded the whole alphabet in Morse code. And I also coded an exclamation point and an end function. And then for the joke, it is, what do you call a cow with no legs? And I just called every letter from the alphabet that I have coded. And here is the answer. And then you can see I have the end function to signal the end of the joke on the Arduino. And I also saved the whole alphabet to my Morse library, so I can call back on it later at any time.